From offices and storage to production areas, organization keeps work running smoothly. Get clear, professional labeling wherever you need it. The DYMO LabelManager 160 delivers simple labeling for everyday organization to keep your workspace organized and running smoothly. Lightweight and battery-powered, it's built for on-the-go labeling, whether in offices, production areas, or storage facilities. Auto shutoff conserves battery life for uninterrupted workflow. An intuitive AZERTY keyboard and one-touch formatting ensure fast, professional results. Printing at ½ an inch per second, it keeps efficiency at your fingertips with last label recall. From general organization and facility management to instructional signing, the LabelManager 160 provides clear, professional labels where they matter most. Choose standard or durable D1 labels built for long-lasting identification in high-traffic areas. Durable labels resist heat, moisture, solvents, and cleaners, ensuring strong adhesion in demanding environments. Designed with sustainability in mind, it features up to 80% recycled packaging and recycled cassette housing, reducing waste without compromising performance. Calm the chaos in general organizations with the DYMO LabelManager 160.